DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making a recycled paper heart garland. And we're using my gel press and Americana acrylics. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a Valentine's Day garland. Use any kind of paper you can find. Magazines, newspapers, and old book pages work perfectly. And make sure to grab yourself a gel press. I'll leave a link in the description. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I will see you next week. Bye.